Vaheguru, student of 5th standard. Today we are going to start chapter number 34, logical reasoning of your subject general knowledge. What is logical reasoning? Means we use the systematic steps to find out any conclusion. So in the first one's part, we should take the missing part of the picture. See, this is a picture given. We have to take one part from the these are the given options. To complete this picture, we need a circle that is below side. So here you can see that first one option is correct, because when we are completing that figure, downside we have to complete firstly circle and join these two lines to make or to complete that figure. So here the circle that is not given in the downside, so this is first one option is correct. Second one question, here three symbols are given. See, if we rotate the first one symbol in the first, this and this, one triangle make downside same. If we rotate these are rotating firstly upside, then moving this side, then moving downside. So B1 option is correct of the question number second of part number first. See, similarly with the third one symbol, here firstly moving straight, then moving down, then moving up. So second question of part number first, this is the B option correct. Next is part number B, tick the odd one, which is not suitable or which are not similar. We have to tick that figure. See, in the first question, one circle, all having circles given, but see in each and every figure, first three figures, the length and breadth, these are the symmetrical figures. The length and breadth should be same when they are partitioning. Here one part, here given two part, here we are doing partition 4, and we have to move partition more than 4, but here partition are only 3. So this is the correct answer of first question part B. Next, second one is, see in all the pictures, similarly one downside circle is colored. Firstly this side, then we have to move this, then this, but here color should be done of the second one circle, not the downside circle. So which is odd one of the second question, part B1. Next, third question, see all are kind of similar, but which is not similar we have to do tick. These three are the primary colors, fourth one is secondary color, so this is the odd one out. So the correct option of question number third is D. Secondary color, which is the mixture of the two colors. So these first three are the primary colors, and D1, this is a mixture of the blue and orange color to make it this one green. So this is a secondary color, other are the primary colors. So the correct answer of the third question is answer is D. Next, fourth question is, there are four figures given. See, in that two figures kind of similar. This one is partition given, but this is one triangle given, this is squares given. So in that two figures, the all are partition in 4 parts, this is also 4 part, these are also 4 parts, but here in that figure there are only 3 parts, so this is odd one. So correct answer of fourth question is A. And the next last question number 5th of part number B. Here all the symbols just only given one side direction or one point. See, this one upward moving, this is also one point or one symbol given. Here two are given, upward also and downward also. Here only one is given. So in others figure there are one given, in this one figure there are two symbols given, upward also and downward also. So this is the odd one out. So this is the explanation of your chapter number 34, logical reasoning.